What's going on YouTube? It's Gan and Mo, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we're going to be diving into our financial tip and trick of the week, and that is financial fitness. So let's get into it.
So what is financial fitness? Financial fitness is having a short-term, long-term plan for your money and knowing what you're going to be doing with it, making sure that you guys have no debt, making sure that you guys have a savings plan, an emergency plan, making sure that you guys know how to invest your money and what you guys have to do to get the adequate returns that you guys desire.
So sitting at home now, a lot of you can get financially fit and using simple steps. Write out your short-term goals, your medium goals, and your long-term goals. Obviously, if you're looking to buy a house, that's more of a long-term goal. Short-term goal, maybe you want to buy a bike and you want to save $200 for that. Check your credit score. Guys, there's apps. I mean, you have Credit Karma, you have Equifax, you have a lot of apps right now, and just your bank, you could check your credit score, see where it's at. A lot of you probably haven't had time to check your credit score. And now that you're at home, know what your credit score is composed of. It's composed of 5 elements, so know each element and what it's all about.
Another thing, guys, just make sure that you guys are remembering that when it comes to your financing, it's going to take a lot of planning, a lot of long-term strategizing to make sure that you are financially fit. You're not going to go work out one time and look like a model. Same thing with your financing. You're not going to be a millionaire just by doing one thing right. It takes a lot of different things coming together for you guys to achieve your financial goals.
And if you don't know where to get started, pick up a book and read a finance book and start leveraging off of that.
Try to open up different online accounts right now since you are sitting at home not doing anything else. Make sure that you guys can differentiate your money. So what you guys can do is from the income that you guys are going to be getting, make sure to split it into those 3 different accounts. One portion can go for your savings, another one can go for your spending, another one for your investing. And that way, that savings money can be your emergency money. The spending money, you're going to be covering your bills and your expenses through. And then the final one is going to be for any short-term or long-term investment plans that you guys have. We hope that you guys found this information helpful. If you guys like the content of these videos and these financial tips, please gingerly tap that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button, and we'll see you guys next time.